In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair an app on Windows 11. If an app keeps crashing, won't open, or feels a bit off after an update, the built-in repair option in Windows 11 is a safe first step to fix it without losing your app data. This process refreshes the app's core files while trying to keep your settings and content intact, so it's less disruptive than a full reset or reinstall. Before you begin, save your work and close the app you're repairing just to avoid conflicts while Windows makes changes. Start by opening the Settings app. Click the Start button on your taskbar, then select Settings. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also open Settings quickly with the Windows key and the letter I. Either way brings you to the main Settings window. From here, go to the Apps section, then choose Installed Apps. This page lists everything installed for your account, including Microsoft Store apps and many traditional desktop apps. If the list is long, use the search box at the top to type the app's name, or sort by name to find it faster. Double-check you've selected the correct app, especially if you have multiple versions or similar names. Next, look to the right of the app's name for the three-dot menu and click it. Choose Advanced Options. This opens a detailed page just for that app. If you don't see advanced options, it may mean the app doesn't support repair through Windows. Some classic desktop programs handle maintenance inside their own installers. When advanced options is available, though, that's where you'll find what you need. Scroll down until you see the repair button. Windows provides a short description here, but the key idea is that repair attempts to fix the app without deleting your data. Nearby, you may also notice a reset option, which is more drastic and can remove app data. For now, stick with repair so you keep your information. Click Repair to begin. Depending on the app, you might see a brief progress indicator or nothing visible at all for a few moments. Keep the settings window open and let Windows do its work. If the app came from the Microsoft Store, the repair might pull down a small component from the internet, so a network connection can help. Try not to click away or start the app during this time. Wait for the repair process to complete. Once it finishes, you're done. This quick maintenance step often resolves common issues, and it does so with minimal disruption, making it a great first fix when an app misbehaves on Windows 11.